Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I hope that you will like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. You guys are fantastic. You guys have been giving me lots of love lately, and I really appreciate it. Today, I'm about to share with you my much anticipated, probably my favorite box consistently through the year. It never disappoints me. It always has beautiful luxury. This is a luxury box. This is a luxury box. It is the Margot Elena box for fall. It's a quarterly box. It is $69.95, and it is chock full of very nice, I mean, I can't tell you how much I love the things in this box. Everything about it is beautiful. The box itself is gorgeous. Even the sticker is beautiful. And it says, "She has arrived, box number 20, autumn 2022. And Margot Elena has some brands associated with it, like Tokyo Milk. Oh, and the theme is Painted Splendor. Look how beautiful that is. That's just stunning. I wish I had wrapping paper that looked like that. That would be fantastic. Let's see. It says Painted Splendor box 20. And it tells me everything in here and what it's worth. And the value, retail value is $200.50. And there's a variety of things in here. So it says the wait is over. And it's very well packaged. And look, everything is wrapped individually. So it's really, and they give you hints, you know, while the box is heading your way and things like that. But I always like to ignore the hints, so it's like a surprise for me. I'm going to unwrap this. Oh, I bet you it's a perfume because it feels heavy. It is a perfume! I love their perfumes. Oh, they're scented. They have a lot of scented products. So if you're not into scents, then this is not the box for you. But if you love things that smell beautiful, and every box has a perfume in it usually, I think. And this is the Black Widow Eau de Parfum. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Tokyo Milk number 38. And it says Scarlet Sage, Ylang Ylang, Orange Blossoms, and Oak Moss. I can't wait to smell this. Oh, it smells like, it smells so good. I have to wear it already. It smells warm, but not like campfire warm. It smells warm and comforting. And it's just delightful. And it's dark. It's a dark fragrance, but it's not masculine. It could definitely be a non-gender specific fragrance, but it's definitely not a masculine smell. But that is fantastic. And that bottle, and it's just beautiful. I'm just intoxicated by that fragrance already. And this is a big bottle of something. Oh, I think this is the, this looks like a lotion. And at the Margot Elena site, you can get these things individually. Oh, it's got, this is leaked. It's leaked. It's a mess. It is a mess. Let me clean it up. It leaked just a little bit. And thank goodness they wrap everything so carefully. That leak didn't get all over everything. And this is from Archive. It says relaxing, 10-ounce body lotion, Journey Within, green tea and willow. And this is $24. Let's see. See if I can't get it to pop up so I can use some of this lotion. Come on, lotion. Maybe the lotion is smarter than me. I'll just unscrew the top and get a swipe of the lotion that way. Oh, it smells, I love the smell of green tea. And it is a white lotion. It smells delightful. And it's very emollient. It's going right into my skin, moisturizing it, giving it a little bit of a drink of moisture. Oh, that's divine. I swear, it's like this box knows exactly what I like, and it gives it to me every time I get it. Let's see what this is. This is from Tokyo Milk. And Tokyo Milk is one of the products that goes with Margot Elena. And this is a perfumed luminary. So this is a candle. Citrus zest, rosewood, mimosa, and mandarin. And I love all of those fragrances. And the box is beautiful. It's got a shiny horse on there. And then this is a nice size candle, and it's number 21. This is a fragrance. You can really smell the citrus, but it's not too sharp of a citrus. It's very mellow and very clean smelling. It says crushed and distilled. Are you curious? I am loving that. And this is the luminary. Is this the Follow Your Dream? It is a Follow Your Dreams candle. $24. Very nice. Very nice. And I love burning their candles. And then this is gin and rose water Parfum Creme Delice. It's eau de parfum captured in an extra rich cream base, triple scented, designed to capture fragrance and slowly release when applied for long-lasting perfume delivery. Oh, so it's a second perfume. And it says it's number 12. And this is gin and rose water. And I'm not a big gin fan, but let's see. It is $24. I've never had a cream perfume. Oh, look, it's totally full of... Oh. It's very... It's got a faint rose scent, and the gin is more of a fresh kind of... It's very fresh with a subtle rose hint to it. That is very cool. Then we have from the Cottage Greenhouse, Rich Shea Butter Hand Cream, Japanese Plum, and White Tea. I love anything that smells like green tea or white tea. And I love plums. And this is $26. And it's a beautiful tin. Look how it's just super high quality. This is so luxurious. I really can't ever get over how awesome this is. And it is sealed. I'm not sure how to break the seal. I'm gonna just leave this as it is for right now since I don't have anything to break the seal with it. But it is 4 ounces and it's very luxurious. and I'm sure it smells fantastic. Then we have Infinite She, and this is Inspired Lip Balm. Their lip balms are really great. It's $10 for the lip balm. It's rosehip and hibiscus lip balm, and it's very nice. It's very large size, and it's great. I'm not going to open that right now. That might be a gift. I've got so many lip balms and glosses open right now. Then they always include some blank cards or some little cards. And this one says, sending you a bear hug. It's very cool. And then here's one that says, oh snap, another birthday. And then this has a hippo, and it says, a big thank you. And these are on very high quality cardstock. It's very awesome. And the cards are, it's $16.50 worth of cards, because they're not mass produced. They're low batches of things. And then last but not least, from the Cottage Greenhouse. The only thing I'm disappointed is usually there's a body wash in here, and I love their body wash so much. This is the Cucumber and Honey Moisture Rich Dry Body Oil. Cucumber is nature's emollient, a sparkling tonic used to help soften and refresh thirsty skin. Cool as a cucumber, gives you the quenching boost your skin needs to look its healthy best. Botanic infusions chosen for therapeutic properties. And I love a dry oil. I really do. And this is Cucumber and Honey. And this is $28. I'm not gonna use the dry oil, but I'm gonna smell it, because I've already got lotion on both hands. Oh, super fresh. It's not too sweet, it's not cloying, it's just super great freshness. So we've got a body oil, we've got hand cream, we've got a perfume cream, we've got a candle, we've got a lip balm, we've got a gorgeous perfume, and we have a wonderful body lotion. And then we've got 3 cards, and this is such a great deal for the $69 and change. I adore this box. It just can't be beat for its value. Over $200 worth of value in this box, and every item, even if you don't love it, makes a beautiful gift. So I'm super excited and thrilled to have this box again. I skipped the summer and I wish I hadn't. But it is a little expensive, so I had to kind of save up my little nickels and dimes for it this quarter. But it's so worth it, and I'm so happy to have it. So with that, I will thank you so much for being with me here. I hope you enjoyed this. Check out Margot Elena, and give their products a try, because they are fantastic. Thank you so much. Have a great day. We'll see you real soon.